Hey guys, welcome to Holy Smokes Pitman. I'm just starting up the grill at 275. Today we are making chicken drumsticks, smoked. Should take about 1 hour to 2 hours. I'm hoping to do that in the 1 hour mark, so we're at 275. And yeah, we're gonna rock it. I've never done chicken drumsticks before, so. All right, guys. So we just seasoned them in. We'd already put them on. Kind of in a rush. I'm a little late for dinner, so we just put onion powder, garlic powder, and some brown sugar on here. We're just gonna be on here for about an hour, and we'll come back and check the temp. Yeah, in a bit. Let them smoke. Okay, so once these drumsticks hit about 165 Fahrenheit, we're gonna pull them, check them, and put some glaze on there. I'm going to put them back in for about 20 minutes, so we still got a bit to go. All right, guys, so I lost my mic. It's dead. So we're going to go ahead and just give this thing a poke. I believe it should be around 175. Yeah, about 175. It's upside down. 176. Should be about done. I think I'm gonna just wait a few minutes and then I'm just gonna pull it. I ran out of barbecue sauce. I was able to just kind of lightly glaze a few, but you know what? It's looking all right for a quick old barbecue where we didn't really have a lot of time. All right, guys, this is the end result. Here it is on the plate. All right, guys, so that's the end of today's quick video. So if you're ever in a huge rush and you got a smoker, it only takes about an hour to cook some drumsticks at 275 Fahrenheit. Something quick and easy for the family. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And see you guys on the next cook. Peace out.